Hi, my name is Dave Young with UX Fighting Systems. Have you ever wondered exactly what's the best way to throw a punch? Well, I've had that question asked many times, and I used to think I had one answer 25, 30 years ago, and that answer has changed to what I have now. So let's talk about a couple of things real quick. When you make a fist, we're not going to argue that the best way of making a fist is to roll your fingers down tightly and let your thumbs go up over the top. Never have your thumb here. Never have your thumb hooked up underneath where you might jam it or break it, but have it closed the top. So we're not going to argue about what the best way to make a fist is. But I want to talk about when you take that fist and you throw that punch, where some of the concepts are, what's the best way to punch? With your palm on the ground or with your thumb knuckles straight up in the air? And which gives the hand the best full range and motion? I have found that no matter what fist you make and how you punch, as soon as your fist makes contact with that target, if you don't teach yourself to punch through, energy is going to follow the least path of resistance, which normally travels back up your arm. When you're punching like this, with your palm down, as soon as your fist makes contact, what happens is your wrist starts to shift. A lot of people get sore in the wrist. In fact, some of you, if you're punching bags for the very first time, you're starting to see you get a little soreness inside your wrist from the ulnar and median nerve that's inside your hand for your wrist. Also, after you make that punch and it stops and your wrist shifts, it also travels up your arm to your elbow. A lot of people get a pinch in their elbow, and sometimes people even get a pinch or soreness in their shoulder. And basically, if you watch the bag, as soon as the fist makes contact with the bag, the energy is going to follow the least path of resistance. Now watch the bag after you change and make your punch with the thumb upward. You actually get more movement in the bag, therefore you have more focused energy upon impact. Now, we're not going to talk about feet or shifting weight or balance and shoulders and following through and power development, but right now I just want to talk about what's the best hand positioning for when you make a punch. If you want more information, come to usfightingsystems.com. We'd be glad to share the information with you.